guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. So today we're gonna be doing Maizena. It's a Puerto Rican custard type of dessert thing that breakfast that I was introduced to by my one and only. He's been making this since we started dating. So, and it was my first time tasting it and like experiencing it and knowing about it, and it was pretty freaking good. So now he's going to teach me how to make it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Here we're gonna need some cornstarch. We're gonna need sugar.
Oh, I should have said that first.
Gonna need ground cinnamon, a cup, and some milk. And if you got little of these, then you know, get some of them. So he's gonna guide me, and I'll make it. So this one. All right. So and your little pot, little stirring stuff, you know,
whisk. Your
little whisk shit. Don't forget about that. So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Oh.
We're gonna need salt too. We forgot to add it. 1/8.
Alright. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3.
Yep.
Alright, what else?
1/8 of ground cinnamon. 1/8 tablespoon.
So same thing as the salt?
Yes.
So a little bit?
Yeah. But we like a little bit more. So it's fine.
So can I just...
Yeah, just do a couple of them.
That's good?
We'll do a little bit more. Yeah.
Okay.
Mix those up.
Okay guys, so I know you guys can't really see, but here are the ingredients. And they're in the pot. Now I'm just gonna mix it up with this whisk as my baker chef boyfriend is instructing me. Just mixing it.
I'm not a baker or a chef. I just like making this.
Yeah. So let's tell him, like the first time he made this for me, I was like, this kind of reminds me of it's like morocho. If any Ecuadorians watch me, it's kind of like morocho, but it's harder, but still it's more slimy-ish, if that makes sense. So it's not like drinkable, but you can use like a spoon, and it tastes like morocho.
So that's like a drink, and this is a
custard. Yeah. For those who don't know what morocho is, it's basically like arroz con leche, but without the arroz. All right.
Speaking of leche, now we put 2 cups of milk.
2 cups of milk?
Yeah, whatever milk you guys like what is it, lactose? You
can get almond milk.
Yeah, any of that stuff.
Lactose, whatever you guys so. Just 1 of this?
2 of them.
Like that?
Yeah. So we mix that up a little bit first.
Okay. And so you put 1 cup of the milk, mix it a little bit with your whisk.
And the other cup was a little more than a cup, so I'm gonna give you a little less than the last time.
So 2 cups, but we don't have a measuring cup, so we're just gonna use this and we're just gonna eyeball it.
Yeah, keep mixing while I pour it.
Oh. But yeah, he's been making this since we started dating, and
we did the cute Valentine's Day one. Well,
yeah.
I did it for you.
Yeah. He was mad cute. It was really cute. And I was like, yo, you need to make that more often. And he was going to make it today. He hasn't made it in a very long time, actually. And then you turn on your little stove thing. And you put it on, like you said, medium heat. So what do you do, babe? You just stir?
Yeah, the hard part about this is constantly stirring it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's thick, until it's the right consistency. The hard part about Maizena is just tending to it the whole time. It's not something you can just leave in the pot and come back, 20 minutes later.
Yeah.
You want to make sure there's like nothing burning or sticking to the bottom of the pot, the saucepan. You don't have to do it as fast as I'm doing. Just make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And I guess we'll come back when we're done stirring.
Yeah.
So 15 to 20 minutes.
Just a little update on how many minutes have passed.
So about 9 to 10 minutes have passed, and it's just starting to get thick. I've made some batches, like I doubled the ingredients to make more, and it didn't get thick until 12 to 15 minutes. So like, don't worry, it's gonna happen like out of nowhere. It's just gonna feel like you're stirring milk for a while, but as you can see, it's a little thicker. And then in a few minutes, just like magic, it's just gonna be a custard. So don't be scared. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing.
Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, 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 mixing. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing, just keep mixing, 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 mixing. Hey, pepperonis! Who's ready for a belly rub? Oh, Bambi is, yeah! Yeah! While we wait for the Maizena, just do a little pepperoo check. Pepperoos. Ooh, and where's my princess? Where's my princess? Where's my princess? Yeah, open up that belly too. No, open up that belly too. Oh, open up that belly. Yeah! That's the princess! Hey, princess! My little jelly belly boy. Brave, I think she's pregnant. Her neck snips are like... Right into your blue.
All right, my Senna update.
Alright, it's not super thick, but it's getting thicker. I switched over to the spoon just so I could scoop up anything that might have been stuck to the bottom. Nothing's burning, everything's mixing nicely. It's getting thicker and thicker, as you can see.
How do we know when it's like ready?
Okay, it's bubbling now. Like if we leave right here, see it's bubbling. You can stop there. I'd like to give it maybe 2 more minutes to get it nice and thick. It also gets thicker as it cools too. So actually, it's pretty much done now. That took 12 minutes.
So would you say 12 to 15 minutes?
12 to 15 minutes.
It's at your preference.
It also depends on the size of your saucepan, the size of your flame. I guess what kind of milk you use, I don't know. But every batch is going to be different. But 12 to 15 minutes is what we're looking at. Of course, if you add more ingredients for more servings, if you multiply the ingredients, you're going to multiply the time. Just keep stirring.
Just keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Just keep mixing, 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 mixing. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Just.
Alright. So luckily our saucepan has a little serving thing too. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oops.
Mmm.
I usually double the ingredients to make twice as much. And then we top it off. You have to top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. Give it some pizzazz. Mmm.
Okay.
We are not sponsored by any of the ingredients that you see here. But if you do want to sponsor us, hit us up in your Instagram.
My Instagram is KaraZM. So is my Snapchat.
Also, if you follow along, tag her in the post, and I just want to see it.
Yeah, like if you ever try it, feel free to tag me. My Instagram is KaraZM. Please make sure if you guys are interested in any art stuff, paintings, whatever, maybe you guys want a little painting of yourself, make sure to hit up my boo. All Hail Jay.
Don't follow me at All Hail Jay.
Yeah, so I'll put his Instagram down below so you guys can check out his page.
All right. Pro tip: eat from the sides first. You will burn your mouth.
Yeah. I like to put in a little cinnamon in there.
Oh, of course.
As you can see.
Get a little bit of cinnamon in there.
And it's still pretty hot, so you might want to let it cool down before you actually dive into this, but we can't wait.
I love the cinnamon. Something about cinnamon and cream. So what do you think? I think you did a great job.
Well, you did it.
I just did the mixing.
I think most of the work comes in the mixing part. Like when you do it in the saucepan, so you did a great job.
Well, keeping an eye on it. Well,
yeah.
Stove.
I was just recording.
It's not that hard to make. It's just gotta keep mixing.
Pretty simple.
Ooh.
Nothing too fancy schmancy, but if you wanna, you know, try it out for a loved one, then you go for it. You wanna make them fall in love with you? Do this Maizena, and they will. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you guys want more videos like this, leave something on the comment down below. And if you guys really like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much.
Share it with a friend.
Share with a friend if you guys really enjoyed it. And happy holidays, you guys. Oh, this could even be done for like Christmas or some shit.
Duh, look at the towel we put down here.
But yeah, happy holidays everyone, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this. And if you guys did make it, please make sure to tag us. Again, all our info will be down below. Thank you guys. Bye.